Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Hope you are fine and safe at your home. Once again, I am here to teach you math subject. As you know that I am Mem Neelam. Okay, yesterday we discussed workbook page number 8, and today topic is about ones and tens. Okay, I will discussing and I will learn to you tens and ones. Okay, class, do you have rough register? Okay, class, if you have rough register, so open it, take out your rough register, and also stationery, that is pencil, ruler, sharpener, and eraser. Okay, class. Take out your rough register and stationery. Proper stationery, okay? Now we are starting. I am holding the pencil or color. If you want color, so you have to take color and pencil. I want to take color. We are drawing margin lines before work. I like purple color, not red color. Okay, I'm searching red color. Where is red color? Red color, where are you? Here I'm, how do you do? Okay, I'm here. Red color says I'm here. Now I'm holding the ruler. Pick up the ruler and color pencil. Hold the pencil and the ruler and draw the margin line here. Look at my one ruler. Put the ruler here up to 2 blocks, 1 and 2. Draw the line over this one line. Look at here. Here. Straight line, okay? Draw a straight line like this. Look at here. Draw a straight line like this. After 2 blocks. Look at here. Count with me. 1, 2. After 2 block, I draw the line over the line, okay? Now come to the page of this side, and here we draw the line before 1 block. Look at this block. Look at this one block. 1. Now we are drawing the line over the red one line. Look at here, class. Draw a straight line here. These are called margin lines, okay? Now my page is ready. Now hold your pencil. I'm putting the color pencil and I'm holding the pencil. Just pencil, okay? I will taking pointer and you hold your pencil, okay? You just hold your pencil. Okay, class? Look at here and come to this one portion. Come to this portion and write here S dot NO. S dot NO mean serial number. S dot NO mean serial number. Okay, your writing should be neat and clean and don't come after margin line. Okay, don't cross this area. Now, along with the margin line, you have to write capital M. Capital M, small a, T, M-A-T, H. Write with me, okay? S, maths, maths. Okay, now write in the center of the line, C dot W. Exact in the mid of the line, okay? Look at here. C mean class, W mean work. Class work. Okay. Now come at the last of the line. Here you should write date. 2/7/27. 2/7/27. Month is April. Month is April and year is 2021. Okay, it's complete the up one line. Okay, now come to the next line and cross this block. It means here we should not writing something. Okay, class? It means here don't writing something. And cross the next one block. And along with this one block, cross this one blocks. Okay, now write in the third one block. Capital W. Capital W. Small r. Okay, how you are writing r? Look at here. First draw straight line and then small slanting line. This is r. W, r, I, T, I, N, G. Writing. It is not need to be you writing separate blocks. It's okay, okay? It congested writing also. Writing. Then leave in the mid one block and move to another block. And here write capital P, small a, P a, double T, P a double T E R N. Pattern. Writing pattern. Okay, now come to the next line and cross these two blocks. It means here we should not writing something. Okay. Go to the next line. Cross these two blocks. Okay, now count with me how many blocks we crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We crossed 4 blocks. It means 4 lines. Along with these 2 blocks, you have to write in the third one, capital T, कैपिटल टी, ओके। इसका मतलब है टेंस, इसका मतलब है टेंस। and another block you have to write O, इसका मतलब है once, tens and ones, okay। do you know about tens and ones? Look at student, I'm telling you about T. This is stand for tens. Tens always have two numbers and they both are friends with each other, okay। Tens always have two numbers and they both are friends with each other, while अच्छा टेंस के दो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, अच्छा इसके ज्यादा नहीं होते, ज्यादा होंगे तो फिर वो 100 होगा। तो इसका है जो फ्रेंड बन जाता है वो है टेंस। टेंस हमेशा दो होते हैं, इससे ज्यादा नहीं होते। और वंस, वंस का मतलब है एक, यानी सिंगल नंबर, ओके। इसका कोई फ्रेंड नहीं है। नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू राइट बिलो द ओ। ओ का मतलब है वंस। लीव द ब्लॉक, this one block, okay। leave the block here, don't write something and write below the O 1। कबीर wake up, write करे ना मेरे साथ, शाबाश। below the O write down 1, write it, shabash, I'm waiting for you। then leave the block after 1 and write down 2। you have to touch the block up and down, okay। touch the block up and down, this is the writing pattern। so we are learning writing, how we could writing, okay class। ब्लॉक को ऊपर और नीचे टच करे, अच्छा। okay what comes after 2? tell me, shabash। 1 2 3, 3। leave the block after 2 and write down 3। how we are writing 3? first sleeping line, then small standing line, sorry slanting line, and then curve line, so it makes 3। write it, shabash। Muhammad Saad, write with me, okay। below the 3 you have to leave one block, 4। leave blocks, okay। then write 5, okay। where is Hashim? Where is Hashim? Hashim, where are you? okay after 5 you have to write 6। ब्लॉक को अप एंड डाउन टच किया करे, अच्छा बच्चे। टच नहीं करेंगे तो फिर ये गलत आएगा। then write down 7 8, leave the blocks, okay, and touch the block up and down, 8। below the 8 write 9, okay। now look at my one page, there is no space with me, class look at, there is no space here, so I will be making second portion for myself। if you have space so write down, if you have not space so go to the second portion। Like me, look at my one page. Leave the block in the mid. And then in the second block, you have to write T-O. T-O. T mean tens, O mean ones. Okay. Below the T, you have to write 1. Leave the block and then write 1. Hurry up. I'm waiting for you. Okay, and then write below the O, leave the block and then write 0, 1, 0, 10. Okay, now hold your ruler. Hold your ruler. And then underline the topic. Which topic you write? Look at class. Do draw lines like this. And then our topic is finished, so we have to draw a finishing line. Look at my one line. Finishing line. Okay. Suhail. Look at me, Suhail. Suhail, you are unmute your mind. किसको समझ आया? Hand, raise your hand. जिसको समझ आ गया वो हाथ को ऊपर करे. Well done, well done. Okay, now read with me, shabash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now I'm closing my rough notebook and take out your maths workbook. Okay, take out your maths workbook and open it. Take out page number 12. 1 to 12. Page number 12. Look at class. This is given in your workbook. Page number 12. Come on the top of the page. You have to write here H.W because this is your homework. Okay, H.W. H mean home, W mean work. So homework. And then come on this blank. Here you have to write date, which is given. In front of the date, you have to write 2/7/27. Month is 4. 4-month name is April. Okay, 27th April 2021. Write like this and then do your work at your home. Fill in the block. Fill in the block numbers and color the stars. Thank you. Bye-bye for tomorrow. Best of luck. This was your today work.